Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. In this video, I am going to present our traditional Filipino food. We call this ginataang monggos. In English, it's called mung beans. And mung beans have a lot of nutrition like fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and many more. So these vegetables, if we give this to our children, there's a lot of health benefits, mga cooking ina and everyone. So let's make together. Join with me. I'm preparing a ginataang mongo for my family. Hope you will enjoy joining me here in my kitchen. The ingredients for our recipe called ginataang mongo are cooking oil, pork, salt, ground black pepper, ginger, onions, squash, dried fish, chicharon or pork rinds, coconut milk, mung beans or mongo, pork cube, spring onions, spinach, and chili. Now our pot is heated. We add cooking oil, we add pork, and we need to stir. We add salt and stir again. We add ground black pepper and we mix well. We add our ginger. We mix it. Now let's add our onions. We mix. Now it's time to add our squash vegetables. Squash is a lot of vitamin A. And we add water if needed. Let's cover and cook for a few minutes. We open and let's mix well. Now we're going to add our dried fish. We leave our fish like that and we cover and cook for a few minutes. Now let's open and check our cooking. Now we add chicharon. And we add add our coconut milk. We mix carefully so that our dried fish will not ruin. Meanwhile, we're preparing our mung beans. We put in our pot and we add water. And we let it boil until our mung beans will be ready. Now we add our mung beans in our cooking. We mix well. We add our pork cube. And we mix. Now let us boil our cooking until all the ingredients will be totally cooked. Now it's time to test it. Salt as needed. We mix. And we test it again. Now my cooking is perfect for my taste. And let's add our spring onions. Our mung beans with coconut milk is look ready. So now let's add our spinach. Our mung beans with coconut milk is ready. Let's turn off our stove. Now it's ready, so we're going to add our chili for more flavor and garnishing to our recipe. And now our ginataang munggo is ready. Look, mga cooking inaan, everyone, it's a lot. This is very good, mga cooking inaan. Thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making our ginataang munggo for our family. I hope you are enjoying joining me here in my kitchen while I'm preparing our ginataang munggo, mga cooking inaan, everyone. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!